Most cordless blowers promise power. Very few deliver it in a form you'll actually reach for again and again. Today's product is interesting because it approaches that problem from a very different direction. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. This channel is dedicated to calm, experience-based reviews that help you make smart buying decisions without pressure or exaggeration. Today we're reviewing the Jufinx X21 Cordless Snow and Leaf Blower, a compact but extremely high-output blower designed for leaves, light snow, vehicle drying, and precision cleaning. This is not a traditional yard blower. It's a handheld, high-pressure air tool built for people who value control, versatility, and serious airflow in a lightweight format. If you maintain small outdoor areas, clean cars or workspaces, or want one tool that replaces compressed air cans and bulky blowers, this product is directly relevant to you. You'll find the purchase link in the description and pinned comment. Reason number 1. Exceptional airflow density. The Jufinx X21 delivers up to 680 CFM with an impressive 1,200 grams of wind pressure. That combination matters because it creates focused force, not just volume, allowing it to move wet leaves, snow, and debris efficiently without scattering material unpredictably. Reason number 2. Stepless speed precision. Instead of fixed speed settings, this blower uses infinitely variable control. You can adjust airflow instantly from delicate dust removal to full turbo output, which improves efficiency and reduces fatigue during longer sessions. Reason number 3. High-capacity battery system. 8 3,000 mAh cells power the 756-watt motor, providing up to 60 minutes on low speed. This is real working time, not optimistic estimates, and it makes the tool practical beyond quick cleanup tasks. Reason number 4. Fast charging with safety protection. 30-watt Type-C fast charging restores power in about 3 hours. Built-in temperature monitoring and automatic shutdown protect the motor, battery, and user during extended use. Reason number 5. One-handed lightweight design. Compared to traditional blowers or car dryers, the X21 is compact and well-balanced. It can be operated comfortably with one hand, making it ideal for car detailing, equipment rooms, and tight spaces. Reason number 6. Durable thermal-optimized construction. Advanced materials and redesigned cooling channels keep operating temperatures stable from -20 to 60 degrees Celsius, reinforcing reliability across seasons. Reason number 7. Strong ownership confidence. The X21 is trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, and it's backed by a 24-month warranty with responsive support, which adds meaningful long-term reassurance. Final verdict. The Jufinx X21 is not designed to replace large walk-behind snow blowers or clear acres of leaves. Its strength lies in precision, pressure, and versatility. For homeowners, car enthusiasts, and anyone who values powerful airflow in a compact form, it stands out clearly in its category. If you want one dependable tool that handles detailed cleaning, seasonal tasks, and everyday maintenance with confidence, this blower deserves serious consideration.